Hi folks, this is just a quick demo of a recent feature I've been working on for Tatu. Tatu is SSH as a service for OpenStack. It manages SSH certificates and bastions for OpenStack environments. So I have a virtual machine whose name is Berry, and it's in the demo project. So this command SSHs into Berry, looking up this URL, and I have an agent, SSH agent running in the background, so I'm allowing SSH forwarding with this -a, and I'm using key 13 to SSH into my VM Berry using the admin account. And the admin account is a keystone role that was set up as user account on the VM by Tatu. So here I'm in Berry as admin, and Tatu's policy is that any keystone role that contains the word admin gets sudo privileges. So I can do things like sudo su, I can do sudo echo hi. Okay, all of that works. Now imagine that a user is logged in, and normally if you revoke the user's SSH certificate when they're logged in, the SSH session continues. So they're still on the machine and can continue to do damage. Let's go and revoke the key. So these are the user certificates. And remember that we SSH'd into the virtual machine named Berry using key with serial number 13. So I'm going to revoke that. Okay, that was revoked. Now in the background, the virtual machines are polling for the revoked key lists. So in a second we should see that update. But in the meantime, let's try to do a sudo command. It's still working. Okay, it takes up to 60 seconds for the virtual machine to poll the new revoked keys. And so just a bit more patience, and we'll see the revoked keys list update. And there is the update. And now it asks me for a password. It no longer automatically accepts the sudo. I have to have a password. No password is set up for this user, so they just lost sudo access. Now, if they come back to their terminal, they can still do, of course, they can still do other things. It's 3 tries. They can do other things. So they have non-sudo, non-root privileges. If they do exit, if they try to log in again, they'll be denied login because their SSH certificate is no longer valid. This is a new feature in Tatu, and it is based on Uber's pam-ussh module. Uber blogged about this and released it open source. It's a PAM module that authenticates users based on their SSH certificates. It didn't support key revocation lists, so I integrated Stripe's key revocation list support. Both Uber pam-ussh and Stripe KRL are written in Go, and they've just been integrated to Tatu. Thanks.